Hi, I'm Tachmy, one of the co founders here at ShoppingScraper. Today I'm going to tell you something about turning marketplace data into a powerful competitive edge. So you can use your data driven responses and change them into competitive changes. What we see in data scraping today is that there are a lot of companies that are still manually processing their data. And manually processing data is like taking a lot of time. It can take up to 23 minutes per product to gather price data and inventory metrics across a lot of marketplaces. We see retailers monitor more and more marketplaces. There are an average more than 6.3 marketplaces that an average retailer checks every week. And we also see increased complexity of matching products, right? Much more marketplaces are hiding the EAN codes, which makes it more difficult to check whether the product that you're looking at is the exact same product that you're looking for. We also see technical complexities increasing, right? There are much more anti-bot measures taken by those retailers. A lot of those in-house scrapers that are built are failing, right? Because they are not using the right proxy data or proxy connections or not use fingerprint masking, so they are actually recognized as bots. And what we also see is that if you increase the amount of data points, like increase the number of pages that you scrape on a certain site, in the end, if you have more than 500 requests per day, you hit certain skill limitations, and we solve those issues, all those technical complexities. So what we're saying is you need to break free from that manual price monitoring, right? We need to do it automated. There's a lot of hours spent checking competitor prices, and you're missing out on those opportunities to adjust pricing in real time. Because in order to change prices in real time, you need to have price data in real time. And that inconsistent tracking is causing price updates that are not correct, and you're not responding as quickly as you should to those changes in the market. So we are offering a revolutionary solution. We've built it for a couple of years now, and our API works in real time, which is something we're very proud of. You can enter a EAN code, and we will directly get the data for you in real time. And you can get the data across multiple marketplaces: Amazon, Bol.com, Google Shopping, and our API connects directly as a REST API with your own system, your own backend. We can also integrate into Google Sheets. So there are a lot of possibilities to get the data out of our systems. And what we deliver is structured data focused on pricing, content, and search data. My name is Tachmy. I'm one of the co-founders at ShoppingScraper. I have a background in e-commerce. I started at this large retailer in the Netherlands called Coolblue and did some consultancy for a few years. And today, building two labels. Called one is called ShoppingScraper, what we're talking about today. The other one is an AI content generation platform based on those same EAN codes that we're using at ShoppingScraper to build AI product content. So there are some myths that I want to discuss concerning scraping because sometimes I get the feedback like, "Hey, product matching is complicated, right? How did you solve it, and why is it taking so lot of time to match a product?" Well, we solved that actually. So we created a real time EAN matching algorithm. What it does is it uses the EAN to search on the web for a certain title and use that title to search all those marketplaces to find the right product. And if we found the right product, we need to check whether the EANs can be found on the pages that a seller has. And once it's there, we match the product, right? So we directly match every variant, every color. If you have that particular EAN code that you're looking for, we'll find the right EAN for you. What we also see is that the data, what we hear is that the data can't be accurate enough because, but what we say is the EAN code is matched and the EAN code is the lowest level that you want to have a price data for because soon as you have that data point and it's matched, you can take your strategic decisions based on that pricing. And because the data is in real time, you can know for sure that the data is not a couple of days old, it's the price data at that moment in time. And we'll make sure that we match the right product for you. And we directly integrate into your own system as we're using our API. You can connect your backend with us, whether it's the data used for your business intelligence platform or for your dynamic pricing tool. You can directly connect with our RESTful API, or you can get the data out using Google Sheets, for instance. Scraping is very easy here at using the ShoppingScraper API. You have an API URL. We have our offers endpoint, and if you selected offers, we have the search endpoint as well, and some others. If you select the offers endpoint, you send us the EAN code. And besides the EAN code, you need to mention for which marketplace you would like to have the data for, shopping.google.nl, for instance, if we want to have the data for the Netherlands. And boom, the data is there as we are picking that data up in real time. So what we do is in the background, we search for the title, and the title is found on Google Shopping, and we search for the right tile. And you see on the right side that we transform that Lego page, which you see on the right, we transform that into that structured data. And we also have that for our info endpoint, where we can grab the product description and the product specifications. The same data based on the EAN code, but instead of pricing data, we fetch the product information. And the same thing we also have for the search endpoint, where you can use your own keywords that you can enter to find up to 60 results for Google Shopping. So, to share some case studies about some of our clients, we have one of our clients called Woolworths in Australia. What they are doing is they have a. So, I'll share some case studies of our clients. This is a client of ours in Australia, which is using the Google Shopping endpoint to get data from their 10 more than 10K SKUs. So they're fetching the data based on the GTIN code, which is the EAN code here in Europe. And for all those thousands of health products, they get the data in from multiple categories. And what they are using the price data for is to get an eye on this competition. And they saw an increase in their EAN matching coverage, right? So they're using the data, the price data from our ShoppingScraper endpoint. We also have Garmin as one of our clients using the pricing data as well across multiple marketplaces, where they check out the pricing data, who is selling which product, who has the stock for that product at the moment. And that data is picked up using the API by one of our partners who created a whole dashboard for Garmin, and which resulted in like they have this rapid identification now when a product is sold or if there's a stock out, and the data is put into the Power BI platform by our partner Tada Solutions. We also have a partnership with VML, it's a large global agency which is using our pricing data to monitor more than 300 competitors during peak seasons. So for a major retailer, they are picking up the price data, and they build a whole report based on price changes in the market, whether the retailer has a certain period where they have discounts or not, and everything is collected on that same EAN level again. So they know exactly which variant dropped in price, and they made it very visible in this dashboard. I also want to go through some FAQs. So the question: what are the main features of ShoppingScraper? So we have real-time price monitoring, and we can extract product information, whether it's the title, descriptions, specifications, and we also have some search data, right? And you can integrate all the data directly using our RESTful API. So how do we handle product matching, right? As mentioned earlier, we use the EAN code, the GTIN code, to identify a product. Using that EAN code, we try to search on the web for the right title, use that title to search on a marketplace, and using the data that we find on that particular page, we check whether the EAN code corresponds, and if so, we return back the price data for that particular product. Besides using EAN codes, you can also use the SKU number of the marketplace. Google Shopping has its own number, bol.com also, and Amazon has ASINs. You can use those as well to get pricing data or content, product content. What types of data can be extracted? So we can extract pricing data, price offers, who the seller is, which what the shipping costs are, the total price, the product specifications, product descriptions, but also buy box data for Amazon and for bol.com. And besides that, we also have search data on the search engine result page. Which platforms do we support? We have Amazon, bol.com, Google Shopping. We also have the retailer in the Netherlands and Belgium and Germany, Google. We integrate using our RESTful API. We have a Google Sheets integration as well. And using our RESTful API, you can get data in CSV or in JSON. We have several pricing plans. You can try it out for 100 requests for fully free. You can continue if you like that for €1 a month. If you need to increase the number of requests, we have a growth plan with 199 a month with 50K credits. And we also have our advanced plan with 150K requests for 399. Do you need more than 500 requests? Just give us a call or send us a message, and we can make a custom plan together for an enterprise plan. So as mentioned, you can trial it out with 100 products for free. You can also send us a message if you need some more credits in trying it out. I really like you to try it out and to really experience how real-time pricing data works. You can access data using your EAN codes of your products. You can connect with our API or using Google Sheets. And we have a lot of coverage across all Google Shopping countries, Amazon and bol.com. So if you're ready to do a demo together, book a call and we can match your products in real time. I can show you how it works. I can analyze your current pricing setup and check out how you can implement our pricing data. And I'll even give you 1,000 credits to try it out yourself. So thanks for joining this short call. If you have any questions, just drop me a message. And good luck testing the pricing data.